What up, people? What's today's date? The 7th. As you can see, my job called itself plowing and plowed my truck in. You can see half the window is out, or it's uncovered. We're gonna try to get out without having to dig out. Alright, let's see what we can do. No editing, no nothing. No, oh, no problem. Thank you though. If anything, I'll go take his snowblower over there. Alright. You too. Good people, good people. Oh. Gotta turn that down. 'Cause it will be alright. The seat is cold. 4-wheel drive activated. We're gonna put this bad boy in reverse a little bit. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Oh, don't hit the bus. Alright. I'm out, you punks. Let me see who try to block me in with snow. I give him a half-man crunch. Alright, all that. Y'all wanna know how deep it is? So, let's see. We got the broom, or the little thing. Let's see how much it covers. It comes up to the bristles, and I'm gonna say that's about a good 8 to 9 inches. Alright, let's continue to uncover. Alright, we're back. Let's clear it off. Windshield could be a little bit better. Wipers. Alright. Take it out of 4-wheel.